Dance, 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 revolution. Do, do, do. Welcome to Milwaukee Hour with Jacob All. I should probably give up this YouTube thing and take up singing. All right. Let's do this. Jacob All here. So, you guys seem to like some of my videos, so I'm at it again. It's like my world tour. I'm going around one more time. So I got some new things that I've been lazy. You can see some of these little soldiers here set up for something. We'll get to that. Also, we got the winners from the bottle cap sticker chainsaws and things like that video. So we'll be announcing that here. So stick along. I'm going to make it as quick as possible because you guys don't seem to like to hear me ramble. You guys sort of drop off. You have pretty short attention spans. Or I'm that boring. Guessing it's a combination of the both. Of both. So let's go over a couple cool things that I've got going on. So Kaizen inserts, Kaizen foam sent me these. These are cleats for, shoot, see, I'm never prepared. I never actually have a pack out over here. So these have actually been out forever. But these cleats lock in the bottom. And they're like, these are machined out of solid HDP. And I'm betting you're going to like to see the video that I put these in, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this guy and I'm going to take this guy, which is one of the ones I print, but what I did is, for the sake of this video, is I printed this out of solid PETG. The infill is 100%. And this is what I use for my pack out that's over there, that's just hanging on two of these cleats. You can see how these work. One big advantage to these is they're aligned. You just attach them with two screws to what you want to attach the pack out to, and you don't have to try to get them lined up. Whereas these, if you're using two of them, you have to figure it out. But yeah, let's just say it's going to be sort of a torture test. Okay, so that's that. Got these suckers on sale, or at least that's what I'm telling Jake's girl I did. I know there's a lot of people out there. Honestly, this is what the little mini, what is it they call it? The M12 hatchet? The chainsaw, that wielded chainsaw. That thing looks awesome. I just don't really know what I'd ever use it for. But now that I open these things enough, I think it would be good to open up these theft resistant, yet you always see the stuff stolen. But I'd say they're homeowner resistant, honestly. Because getting into these packages is like, you're going to need a first aid kit after you open it. I mean, you've got to, even if you cut all these little seams, they put these stupid nubs everywhere you need. And then this thing acts like the frickin' 1990s Ginsu knife commercial and just slices your hands open. I mean, I'd be safer stabbing myself in the chest with this than trying to open one of these stupid things. So, I know everyone's going to be like, they're not Irwin or whatever, but honestly, I've never bought a pair. The ones that I have are just hand-me-downs, and I wanted a nice set. So I got some straights, and they're yellow, so straights. Reds. What's that? It looks like a left. Or that looks like a left. Green for left. Red for right. So they feel nice. We'll see how long they last. I don't do a ton of duct work. Something else I've been 3D printing. So if you guys know Electron Smith, when he releases his files, a lot of times he releases a open format that you can customize. You can customize the model and do some stuff with. So took the red lithium USB batteries and I modeled up this little guy, adjusted the model. So it's a bracket that you can mount your batteries to. You can bolt this to a wall, put it in your work van. I'm going to put some bigger ones that I'm going to make to attach to my tripod so that I can have a little backup battery with them. So then I had some fun and I just made a little double. So there you go. You attach that to something. I thought it was pretty cool and it gets the job done, and they're pretty cheap. We're hoping to have these on the store Monday. This video airs Friday, so it should give me time to get them uploaded over the weekend. So hopefully they'll be there. If not, just email us info@jacoball.com and Jake's girl who's hiding over there laughing at me, as always usually, or my daughter who likes to throw Kaizen foam at me. But yeah, I hope to have them on the site there too. So, all right, meat and potatoes. I wanted to do a little something. I got a little science too, but I actually use for around the house, putting together small things, getting in a drawer, things like that. I wanted to get this little guy. It's just a little guy. And it's the Surge M12. I actually want to get the Surge M18. When I'm outside and I'm doing like a deck job and it's, you know, long and hard work, getting all sweaty. I'm kidding, I don't get sweaty. Actually, I get sweaty just thinking.
Only when you wear a green shirt.
Only when I wear a green shirt. So I bought the kit of this, and because if I bought the kit, you got a free tool with it. But here you go, the Surge. So the kit version comes with another one of these, which I did actually buy all the hardware to make one of these into a USB converter. So basically what it's going to do is you plug your battery in there, and then I'm going to have some ports somewhere on it so that you can charge things, and I'm going to get rid of the stupid cord. Comes with 2 batteries. Yay, right? But this is what I wanted. This is the guy. So I got a fresh XC battery for it. Oh, looks like I'm going to need to put a bit holder on it. And if I take it compared to my regular M12 fuel, can you hear that? I don't know. Let's. Okay. So they both have XC batteries. Besides the fact that one says Surge on it, you really can't see a size difference or any much difference really to it. They both have the top selector. This one, I don't think I took it off of mine, has that little belt hook. This one has none. It does have that on it, just the tip. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, here in a second, I'm going to turn on some fancy gear. We're going to see how loud this really is, or any difference-wise. So I got me sound meter, and what I'm going to do is you're going to see, I'll put it like, you know, down here or up there or something like that. So I'm going to put this here in a little pack-out cup holder, and I've got, you know, a little something fancy I'm trying. So is it not on? So here, you know, hand it to you. You won't be able to unlock it. She's trying to unlock it. So we'll do this little thing where I like act like everything's fast forward. Cut that out. Beep. Take 2. That was me fixing the problem. This insulation knife's really nice, by the way. Okay. So are we set up? Are we ready? Did you look at it to see if we're ready?
No.
Because
just got down
oh, camera people. Okay. Is it recording?
No, it's taking a photo.
Flies.
Okay, now try.
That's gonna get me in trouble. Is it recording? Okay. So time sync. That thing hopefully. Okay. Now. We're going to. All right. So what I wanted to do, just for the sake of it, is I wanted to drive some screws in using. Is that little thing flashing? Some of these older puppies makes noise, right?
Yeah, if you would stop talking, I'd be able to hear.
All right. Okay. So all right, I got that. I also have a tape measure here. We're about 3 feet away. It's in the air. Whatever. A bunch of people commented. So we're gonna just drive some screws in. It's M18, Gen 3, just regular, old. And actually what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use the same battery. This is the original Gen 1 M18. This sucker weighs a ton, but it just keeps going. Look at how slow it is. You saw that battery was working fine. All right. Fuel, M12. Look at how much faster that was than that old tired M18. I've had that thing forever. All right, so this is the original, one of the original M12s. Oh, look at it, so quiet. Oh. So you can see why I got a new M18, because this thing is honestly just regular for ready for a museum. Okay, but here it is, the Surge, which also has that quick chuck. Oh, hold on, I gotta screw some more. Hold on, I gotta get some more screws.
You could just take the other one out.
Yeah, but the coating gets removed. Okay, let's do a couple more here. Okay. Oh, it's so quiet.
Like butter.
Okay, here. Just to be fair, right? One of each again. So much louder. Not COVID. So, okay, that is like my quick, here's a freaking 15-minute video showing you real quick a rundown of these guys. Look at that. That is insane. That thing is so freaking quiet compared to the original. Here, we'll do what she said. You know that. You can't even hear me. That thing is like a jackhammer. And then you got that guy that's like so quiet. And here, listen.
It's like a vacuum cleaner.
Not bad. I like that. I think that's a good test. There's like some science. And check it out. Watch what you can do. You can come in here. We'll set this to like 1. Oh, that's all nice and slow. We'll put a bit on it. We'll come over here. Come on, man. It's like I can't even screw. Oh, it's like I don't want to hurt it mode. Look, I have an M12 battery mounted to my wood. I've got rechargeable wood now. All right. Oh my gosh, that's nice. And it's, wow. So that mode is completely different than this one. Okay, we're going to extend this a second. Oh yeah, that is completely different. That's pretty cool. See? Didn't know that. Hey, bit holders, just saying. Battery bracket, store.jacoball.com. Shameless plug. So, I did say I was going to do this. We're going to do it, and you all have been asking about it from the one video. So we got, grab me some. Huh? Come on, lady. Party lady's going to get me some fancy stickers. So, we said in the Tools That Unpack Themselves video that we were going to give away 12 of these sticker sets from Ohio Power Tool. There's more to this. Okay, we're going to give away this little sucker. It's like a kiss cut sheet, and you peel that sucker off, and you got a bunch of little stickers. This little sweet one. There's some round ones, too. Milwaukee, since 1981. 1983. It's a big package of round ones.
Oh.
Yeah, here, throw it. OPT. Yeah. All right, so we have 12 winners, and we got them. I'm going to go back, and I'll comment on that video now. But I'll also, not now. I mean, now being like Friday now, but not now. You get it now? Right now? Right now? Okay, so the winners. We're going to do the sticker winners first. We have 12, so try to pay attention. Oh, you're going to make me read them? Gosh. Scratching me balls.
No,
Crash Enemy Ball. Who? Aaron. No, okay.
Read the right one.
What is that? Law Dog?
Yeah.
Law Dog 69. Oh, you're so funny. Oscar Manunos. You're getting stickers. Robert Shaw. Shaw. That's like a defense contractor, like secret, like, you know, guy that sneaks around at night and like murders people or whatever. Okay. Mark Landis. Dab 745. Did you miss it? Dab 745. All right. Sinister Sparky. Sparkies, what's up? Michael James. TMJ. TMJ Homes. Woo. Wait, you got something at the end of that, don't you? Homes. You saying that someone's jaws get? Okay, we're gonna family friendly. 80 proof. What happened to 100 proof? You know what I mean?
They lost the 20%.
You lost 20%. All right, Donnie Miller. Donnie Miller. It sounds like a song. 18 lockdown. So the only thing that's getting in there is an inmate. And you know what that means. Or at least TMJ knows what that means. Okay, so that's the 12 of you. I'm not going to list it out again because you guys want to hear me mispronunciate names. It ain't going to happen. So that's the 12 that won sticker packs. So there was one last one. And that's for this sweet, awesome, ideal bottle opener. Okay? You could use it to bend solder. I proved that in the last video. So this winner, right, all I said is I wanted you to give me a suggestion. And honestly, the one I wanted to pick where I was going to use a fan to cool a beverage and sit in a hammock. But I've had a hammock in a package for over 2 years that I still haven't mounted into the ground. So
Jake's girl isn't happy about that.
yeah, but you know, I've got a bigger and better thing planned for where to put the hammock, so I don't want to really stall it yet. At least that's the excuse I'm telling her. So that one didn't win, even though I like that idea. So, and I'm gonna do this in a video, so y'all watch out for this. Y'all watch out for this. That's not a good song. Y'all watch out. Y'all watch out. Okay, rambling away. What we're gonna do is the chainsaw, and actually the first chainsaw suggestion won. So we're going to try to open some bottles with some chainsaws, and we're going to try to keep 10 digits and my beard unharmed, because this took like, 6 months to grow or something like that. So who won? Because all it says is Will.
Yeah, that was his name.
Will, he willed himself into a bottle opener. So Will, you were the first one, or at least the one that we picked, because we're not using some official thing to do this. We're just grabbing. We're just grasping for straws. So this video is 20 minutes long. I'm making it shorter than the last one. So Will, thanks for the suggestion. Y'all 12 that won the stickers, I appreciate. I hope you appreciate. And the rest of you all, always stand by, because there's always things that I could give away. I'm just saying. And you guys liked my top 5 pack out video, so watch that. I'll put that over there or something like that. I don't know how that thing works. I'll put it somewhere. And I appreciate you all watching some of this Jake of All crap. And I'm the Jake of All. Those are pack outs, and this video is going to end. So, pack out! Mommy, the rhino's too close to the car.